Tired of having to wake up early just to head into your run-of-the-mill 9 to 5 job only to be unappreciated and told what to do by your boss? Well, with working from home becoming a thing, maybe it's time to take a look into how you can make money online so you can have the freedom to do whatever you want, wherever you want. When you make money online, you can work at whatever time of the day you want and from wherever in the world you want as long as you have internet connection. The possibilities really are endless. I myself have mastered the art of working online and have found an amazing site that can help you earn $500 in just one day without needing any experience or special skills. I've even got some bonus tips that can help you make the job easier. This method doesn't require you to have a huge capital to get started, so I know that it's something that you'll definitely be interested in. Stay until the end of the video to find out how it all works and be able to score about $500 in a jiffy. Before we get into the video, hi, welcome to Money Wolf, a channel where I share tips and tricks on how you can make money. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Smash the like button down below if you want to see more videos like this one. Are you ready to get into it? Great. So before I teach you all the tricks of the trade, I want you to take a look at this page right here. I know that you probably know what Amazon.com is, right? Well, this is actually the Kindle book section of Amazon. Now, as you can see right here, as you scroll down, there are actually a lot of people that sell ebooks right here on Amazon. Some go for as low as 99 cents and some can get up to around $15. A lot of people are actually making money through this platform. Now, let's take a look at this right here. So this person is selling ebooks on Kindle for this much, and look at how many sales they've made because this is how many people have left reviews for it. So if you do the math, then this is how much they've made just off of this one ebook. Pretty impressive, right? Not a writer? Well, that isn't a problem because there's a way to be able to do this with just a simple copy and paste, and you can be on your way to making hundreds of dollars. Are you ready to learn how? Alright, so the next website that you're going to visit today is called Visme, and to get there you just head over to visme.co. So basically this website is going to help you come up with and create a really professional ebook like the one here that you can be able to sell online. You won't need any experience in doing this because Visme is going to do all of the work for you. This is going to be really simple and it only takes 3 steps, so listen up because each step is crucial. The first step is going to be to choose a template for your ebook, and here on Visme there are a ton that you can choose from. Step 2 is going to be to customize your book so you can choose fonts and colors and all that jazz to make your ebook as appealing as possible. And then the last step is going to be to download a pre-made ebook that you aren't going to have to write at all, and you can add it to your template and start selling it on Amazon to make money. This is a method that you're going to want to learn more about, and it's an opportunity that you don't want to miss out on, so keep watching to learn more. Alright, so this is what Visme looks like, and to get started on your ebook, you're going to want to click on this button right here. You can look right down here and then click on this documents icon thingy right here. It's then going to bring you to a page like this where you can start your journey of creating a free ebook that is already styled for you. You can do this for free, so you don't need to worry about needing to pay for anything at all. Now, to be able to really create your document, you're going to want to create a free account first, and to do that, you're going to go ahead and click on this right here. You can sign up to use this site from anywhere in the world, which is one of the things I love about it. Now, all you're going to need to do is fill in this form with some of your personal information like your name, your email address, and then you can create your password. This should only take you a minute or so, and then you should be registered. Now, it's going to ask you what you plan on using Visme for, and I'm just going to go ahead and choose personal. After that, you should be able to log in and see your dashboard. There are lots of different types of documents that you can choose from, like reports, proposals, cover letters, resumes. The list goes on and on. Now you're just going to go ahead and look for the ebook option, which looks like this right here. Once you hit that, then it should give you different templates that you can choose from, and this is going to make your job quick and easy. This is literally an endless list of templates that you can choose from, so you're never really going to run out of options, and you can just pick whichever ones you like the most. Now I have a bonus tip for you, so listen up. Now, as you can see on Kindle eBooks, there are actually tons of different categories of books that you can sell. There are so many different categories that you can choose from, like business and money, or arts and photography. Now, to make the most money though, you're going to want to focus on the fitness and health category. It's the most profitable category with the least competition, so you know that for sure people are going to stumble across your ebook. Now that you know what category you're going to focus on, you should be able to pick a template that is going to go best with this category. So I'm just gonna scroll through and try to find one, and actually, I think that this is one that would really work well for this category, so that's the one that I'm gonna use. If you aren't 100% sold yet, you can actually click on it and take a look at a preview of the template so you can get an idea as to how it looks. When you actually take a look at it, you'll see that it actually already has a lot of good information in it. It's pretty much a done-for-you book and has been designed with a really nice template. So once you think that you found the right template for you, then you can just go ahead and click on this button right here. Now it should bring you to a page that looks like this one, where you can edit what the book actually says, and you can make tweaks to things like the font and stuff. Now, one of the reasons I love this so much is because it pretty much is already great the way that it is. It has photos that complement the text, and it even has a cover page and table of contents that looks really professional. The ebook is pretty much already done the way that it is right now. You can pretty much just copy and paste it as is and start selling it on Amazon Kindle. Now, with it open like this, you can pretty much tweak it and do whatever you want to it, so you can change the font or make it bigger or make it bolder. You call the shots. Just do anything to it that you think will make it more appealing than it already is. The one thing that you for sure are going to want to change is the title page. You can add a new title if you want, and for the name of the author, you can make it whatever you want to be. So you can put a nickname of yours there, or you can make up an alias and add it right there. Once you're done making all of those changes that you want to make, you're just going to go ahead and hit this button right here to be able to download your ebook. This is going to help you download it either to your phone or to your computer. How's the video so far? Have you learned something new? Well, if you like this kind of content and have found this video helpful so far, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more money-making tutorials. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what other money-making methods you want me to create a tutorial for, and hit the notification bell so that you know when I upload new videos. Ready for another bonus tip? I think you deserve one for having stuck around this long. This is going to help you earn more money. You're just gonna head on over to Free PLR Downloads, and this is actually a site where you can find a lot of ebooks, and the best part is that they're free. You can just choose an ebook that you like and then copy and paste it, and then have an ebook that you can sell on Amazon Kindle. As you can see right here on the side, there are actually a lot of different categories on this site. Now, to be able to make the most money, as I said earlier, you're going to want to focus on the health category. So once you spot the link for health, you're just going to go ahead and click on that. If you scroll through, you're actually going to find hundreds of different ebooks that you can use to sell on Amazon. Now, say I wanted to go ahead and use this one, so I would just click on it right here, and then when I open it, I'm going to get a preview of the book. If I really like it and want to use it, then I'm going to go ahead and smash this button to download it. If you've gone through and used up everything in the health category, you can actually go into different categories like self-help or relationships. There are so many options to choose from, so just take your pick. So now that you know how all of this works, from choosing a template to finding free content to sell, now you just need to head over to Amazon to actually start making sales. To do this, you just need to scoot your booch over to kdp.amazon.com. All you need to do is sign up for a free account so that you can start publishing your books and start making money. Once your book is ready to publish, it actually only takes Amazon 5 minutes to publish it and have it up for sale. See here, your Kindle store is available worldwide in less than 24 hours. Pretty cool, right? So to get all of this started and up and running so you can make money, you're just going to hit this sign up button right here. Now you're just going to go through the whole process that Amazon is going to direct you through, and then you can be on your way to making hundreds of dollars really quickly. Your ebooks will be available worldwide, and you can make some really good money off of them. Well, that's all I have for you folks. I hope you enjoyed my video. Before I go, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you are the first to know when I have a new video. You can also check out some of my previous videos for more money-making platforms. Let me know in the comments down below what other platforms you want to learn about. See you in my next video!